This is Joe. Joe is a quality engineer in a manufacturing company. Joe's client calls up and requests a PPAP for their new widget before production can begin. The customer says the requirements are in their agreement. Joe reads the long list of requirements, but he isn't sure what these requirements demand. So he calls in his team and his suppliers and tells them he needs a PPAP package. They start collecting all the documents together from various places, revise some, and even try to create new ones, which is a lot of work. Everything is a mess, but still Joe and his team were somehow able to finish a PPAP package. Joe sends it to the client. Then boom, he's got an unsatisfied, angry client. The PPAP package was just so wrong. And like a good supplier quality engineer, Joe tries to make everything right for his client. He uses more resources and more overtime costs to fix the documents, but the client is still getting impatient for a good submission. Everyone is getting stressed out. He may not be able to ship his part since the customer didn't approve his PPAP. What a nightmare. If your PPAP experience is like Joe's, yep, we hear you. Introducing RGBSI's Empower PPAP, part of RGBSI's Quality Lifecycle Management solution. Empower PPAP is a software solution that saves costs by simplifying and standardizing your whole PPAP workflow process by helping to generate and dynamically link all the required documents for the PPAP package, beginning with the customer product specifications document and finishing with a part sign-off request. Empower PPAP meets all automotive and aerospace standards, as well as data export controls and ITAR regulations and requirements. Work your way through each PPAP element with training material, instructions, checklists, and templates. With customized dashboard-based metrics and reporting capabilities, Empower PPAP manages PPAPs across your organization. Integrate engineering, purchasing, ERP, and manufacturing systems all in one easy-to-use tool. Empower PPAP is completely web-based software as a service that connects your entire supply chain and securely syncs through the cloud, so anytime, anywhere, you can review and edit documents or monitor progress. And if you find yourself needing help along the way, Empower PPAP will guide you. Now imagine if Joe was using Empower PPAP. Joe's client calls up and requests a PPAP submission, but this time he uses Empower PPAP, where he can review and edit documents. Now, everything should go smoothly. Joe and his team go through the e-learning modules. Then they begin work. Using Empower PPAP, Joe's team is able to create a PPAP package by opening up tools with built-in forms, generating documents with the right formats, and using checklists to make sure they're doing things right. And all this information is stored in one place for him to access at any time for future PPAP requests. Now that the PPAP is done, Joe submits it to his customer to get it approved with fewer headaches and with time to spare. So what are you waiting for? Streamline your PPAP process now. Empower PPAP, your fully customizable enterprise-wide tool that saves time and reduces risk for supply chain management.